Whose birthday is it?
Happy to you. Happy to you.
Can you say Sam's birthday?
Happy.
Yeah. Do you know how old you're going to be?
Happy.
Can you say 2?
2.
Yep. Say Sam will be 2.
1, 3, 5.
You're going to count?
1. Not 2, not 2.
Can you count to 5?
5.
Can you do ABCs?
Happy to you.
That looks like a yummy cake.
Stickers.
You say the end.
And
Say bye-bye.
bye-bye.